Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download the Gallery app on your Google Pixel Mobile. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, tap on the Play Store icon on your home screen. This will open up the Google Play Store where you can browse and download apps directly to your device. Once the Play Store opens up, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen. You'll see several navigation options there. Go ahead and tap on Search. This will bring up the search bar at the top, allowing you to find specific apps quickly instead of browsing through categories. Now, in the search bar that appears, type in Gallery. This will start showing you relevant results for Gallery apps available on the Play Store. You'll see various options pop up as you type, but we're looking for the official one. Next, scroll through the search results and find the app simply called Gallery. Here's the important part. Make sure it's the one created by Google LLC. You can verify this by checking the developer name right below the app title. This ensures you're downloading the official Google Gallery app and not a third-party alternative. Once you've located the correct Gallery app by Google LLC, tap on it. This will open up the app's details page where you can read more about its features, see screenshots, and check user reviews. You'll also see the Install button prominently displayed. Now tap the Install button. This will start the download and installation process for the Gallery app on your device. The app will begin downloading immediately and then automatically install once the download completes. At this point, you'll need to wait for a moment while the app downloads and installs. The time this takes depends entirely on your internet connection speed. If you're on a fast Wi-Fi connection, it should only take a few seconds. On slower mobile data, it might take a bit longer. You'll see a progress bar showing you how much of the download is complete. Once the installation is finished, you'll see the Install button change to Open. This confirms that the Gallery app has been successfully installed on your Google Pixel Mobile and is ready to use. You can now access all your photos and videos through this official Google Gallery app. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Gallery app on your Google Pixel device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.